Alright, well, see what you think of this. My sliding door is rusty. I made a patch to weld in place here. And if we move that, you can see those supports are no longer attached to anything. So my idea, and here's my previous repair with aluminum piece I put in there. It worked for a few years, but my new idea is to use this piece of angle iron and weld it right to this piece, weld the back of it to those floor runners, and then this is the new track for here, for the little wheel to slide on. Maybe I can get a shot underneath to show you how those pieces are no longer attached to anything. So that's my plan. What do you think? I've heard they no longer, or there is not a track repair piece available. And so I think this is a 2-inch angle iron. If I shorten the height to 1 3/4, and leave the length or the width as it is at 2 inches, it should match up to the old track. And it's hard to see, but that piece of aluminum is no longer solid. So that's my summer project. If you have any thoughts, let me know. Thanks.